on Independence Day. The Independence Day of India marks the freedom of the country from the British Empire in the year 1947. Hence, to celebrate this glorious day, 15th August of every year is observed as the National Holiday of India. On this occasion, citizens of the country celebrate it by hoisting the tricolored Indian flag and salute it while singing our national anthem. Military marches and other programs surrounding this special day rekindle the spirit of patriotism. On this occasion, the citizen of the country pays and tribute to the great freedom fighters who struggled to make our country free from the Britishers. Last but not the least, we as the youth of India should not be proud of its glorious past but should also work hard to make our present and future better. Thank you. I am Vanshika Singh, roll number 51 from